Yo, what's up, guys? It's Lionel the Builder back again with another video. I'm just starting my day. It's 5 o'clock in the morning. Getting my coffee, and I was thinking like maybe I should come up with a name like morning coffee or full stack dev rants, morning rants or something like that. Because I really just wanted to give you guys an update and just kind of like brain dump first thing in the morning. Look at this as a journal documenting the journey. It's been a few days since I shot my last video, so I figured I would just give you guys an update and let you know what I have been up to, what I have been working on. As you know, I'm starting a new project next month. I leave in about 10 days, so I'm super happy about that, excited about that, and I've actually started building it already. Um, Before even getting started, I have all of the like pitch deck and the demo is already live, and basically we're building the software of this thing, right? And I'm in a leadership position, so it's been a lot of growth going on, a lot of research going on. I'm writing documentation now, so I also wanted to ask you guys about that. How many of y'all have ever built a project without writing documentation? On the last startup that I worked for, the thing was that we're so pressed for time, and that we were so busy building with speed that we didn't really test, and we didn't really write documentation either. So this time around, I'm going to try and do the due diligence of doing both of those things. Just because I saw and lived firsthand how confusing things can be when you've worked on something and then 7 months later, you're trying to understand like parts of it that you wrote a long time ago, just using the comments that you have left. It's not, too many things interact with other things, that it helps so much to see that zoomed out perspective. I know some of y'all OGs in here are like, duh, but you got to remember, we're also talking to everybody here. There's also some juniors here, but yeah, man, that's what I've been working on. Just now started writing the documentation, bro. I have been using Cursor AI and Claude a lot. I still have my OpenAI subscription, but I've definitely also subscribed to Claude and have been using it more. And I haven't used Visual Studio Code since I started using Cursor AI. Man, that's some real, if you know stuff. I really could and should make a tutorial on that to go ahead, before it blows up, because obviously it is. I'm sure people, like, if you search that right now, it's probably going crazy already. But that could give me something to do for the channel. Shout out to the digital builders, by the way. Links in the description. Join in there. We've got mad people in there now, and we're all just digitally building together. We got mad resources in there for things like Cursor AI and stuff like that. And but yeah, what do you guys think the future of being a web developer is? That was one thing that we were talking about in the Discord. Do you think that AI will take over and there will be people or devs who aren't even expected to really know how to code? I mean, no, I probably shouldn't say expected to really know how to code. I should say more so that like they don't necessarily write code themselves. They understand it. They understand syntax. They understand what everything is, but they more so pilot AI. Now, of course, there will always need to be higher level engineers who write the software that causes AI to do its thing. But I think that there is going to emerge a new class of developer, lower level, like this may be like junior level adjacent, who, all they're expected to do is, hey man, take what we're telling you to make happen in English, put it into AI and apply it, whatever they give you, apply it to the project. But now, of course, now that wouldn't work. There's too many variables in there, but when it is good enough, right? And of course, now it's all still relatively new. I'm talking 10 years down the line. It's gotta be different, man. It's gonna be crazy different. And I'm probably guilty of being one of those people who were like, no, it's well, not that it's gonna be the same, but I know for sure I was saying like, code learning the code isn't dead. I mean, I still think that that's a hard, like, you know, it's very premature to say. It's clickbaity premature stuff, to go to extreme on that wave. But yeah, man, that's basically what I've been up to. I've been working on the project a lot. So much that it's definitely causing me to not really shoot. I haven't done a code and chill in so long. I haven't went live in so long. So it would be cool to get started up with that. Yo, there's one thing that I'm excited if this actually happens. One of our members, Sinelli, wants to make a YouTube video talking about how she just got hired a tech sales job. This is one of the digital builders that just got a tech sales job, and she wants to start a YouTube channel. But then she thought, like, wait, why would I start my own YouTube channel? I'm a member of the digital builders. I could just post a video if Lionel lets me upload it onto the channel, which I'm 110% down for. I was actually thinking of even possibly changing the name of this channel from Lionel the Builder to the Digital Builders, so that it's not so tied closely to me and my personality. I really want it to be more so about the group. Granted, I will always be here, what I mean, as long as I am here, I'll always be the leader of it in essence, and like 99% of the content is gonna be me documenting the journey. But I also created this group to be a group that helps people break in. I learned everything that I know, and that this was even possible through YouTube. And coming from 100 devs, you're supposed to help people at the end, after you have made it to the other side. And that always like spoke to something within me that I've always wanted to do anyway. So it was the green light, and that's why we're here. And if for some reason you've made it this far, join the Discord. Go ahead, because we're creating something special here. You can't it's not a lot of signs of all the things that are to come, but there is a lot of things that big vision things, especially if you live in the 757 Hampton Roads area. But we're planning on taking this like worldwide. So you're here on the early days, I'll just put it that way. If everything sees through to the end, it's gonna be awesome, and we're gonna help a lot of people. What type of people are we gonna help? It's gonna be people who feel like they're too smart for their current job, people who feel like they should be making six figures, doing something from the computer, working remote or in an office, something creative, something that you would think in the past that you needed a college degree and mad experience to do. We're teaching people how to just break through. That's the whole lore behind it. There's a lot of different things that I have planned and that I'm trying to like do at the same time, but I really lately have had to step back and get back on my essentialism, which I still need to finish reading that book. But it's basically like being more productive, because you shrink down the things that you say yes to, and in order to be more impactful. And that is something that I'm so happy that now I have a project that is big enough that I can put a lot of things on hold, but it's also going to give me the resources to make these other things happen faster, if that makes any sense. Yeah, dude, I actually think I am going to call this either morning rant or morning coffee, because I kind of went all over the place and I don't know what else is a proper title for this. But I'm happy to be here, man, and I hope that you guys are as well. I hope that everybody is off to a great day. Shoot, maybe this could be the morning motivation, because I love starting these days early while the house is still quiet. I work out, I drink my coffee, I listen to some music and like get geared up for the day. I pray and I stay thankful for every day, because I really do feel like every 24 hours that we have is a blessing, is a chance for us to create, a chance for us to build, a chance for us to take another step forward in life. You know what I mean? when I do feel good. Of course, some days are harder than others, but today's one of those days where I just woke up on 10. So, perfect day to make a video. I hope everybody out there is about to have a dope day. I'm Lionel the Builder. I'll see you guys next time. Keep building. Peace.